Welcome back to the world according to Grok, where every Sunday at 10 a.m. Central, we rip open the settings menu and hand you superpowers nobody else is using. Last week was battery carnage. Today, we're doing the opposite. 7 buried features that make your phone feel brand new, lightning fast, and borderline unfair without spending a single dollar or installing a single shady app. Entropy wants your phone to slow down, bloat up, and frustrate you until you upgrade. Not today. Grab your phone, follow along, and in 10 minutes, you'll swear you just bought a flagship. Number 1, the secret RAM booster that actually works and is built right in. On Android 12 and up, go to Settings, About Phone, tap Build Number 7 times if you haven't already unlocked developer options. Then Settings, System, Developer Options. Scroll down to Memory or RAM Boost. Samsung calls it RAM Plus. OnePlus calls it Expanded RAM. Xiaomi calls it Memory Extension. Crank it to the max, usually 6 to 12 gigabytes extra virtual RAM borrowed from storage. It's not magic, but it keeps heavy apps like Chrome, games, and TikTok in memory instead of reloading every time you switch. Result? Zero lag when you jump between 10 apps. On iPhone, there's no toggle, but force quit nothing. Just double tap the home bar or swipe up and pause for half a second on the app switcher. iOS secretly prioritizes the front app and feels twice as snappy. Number 2, the animation speed cheat code. This one is pure dopamine. Android, same developer options you just unlocked. Scroll to Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. Set all 3 to 0.5 times or even 0.25 times if you want to feel like you're living in the future. Everything flies, opening apps, pulling down notifications, going home. On iPhone, Settings, Accessibility, Motion, turn on Reduce Motion. That kills the bouncy parallax junk. Then go to Assistive Touch, create a new gesture, triple tap the side button, iPhone 15, or home button, older, and assign Restart Springboard, or just enjoy the flatter, faster interface. The phone doesn't actually get faster, but it feels like you just installed a custom ROM. Number 3, one-handed mode that nobody enables, but should. Android, Settings, System, Gestures, one-handed mode, or pull down the notification shade and look for the little hand icon at the bottom. Samsung, Pixel, OnePlus all have it. Activate it, and the entire screen slides down into thumb reach, perfect for big phones. iPhone, Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Reachability, turn it on. Now swipe down on the bottom edge, or double tap the home button on older models, and the whole screen drops halfway. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Number 4, the text replacement shortcut library that turns you into a typing god. iPhone, Settings, General, Keyboard, Text Replacement. Add phrases like I too becomes your full email. OMW becomes on my way, be there in 10. Or adder becomes your entire home address. Android, Settings, System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, Gboard, or whatever you use. Dictionary, Personal Dictionary, English, add the same shortcuts. I have over 200 of these. I type 4 characters and entire paragraphs appear. It works in every app, saves hours a year, and makes you look like you type 300 words per minute. Number 5, the hidden focus mode, do not disturb schedules that actually respect your life. iPhone, Settings, Focus, create a new one called Deep Work or Family Time. Set it to silence everything except 2 favorite contacts. Schedule it automatically 9 to 12 every weekday or every evening after 7 p.m. Android. Settings. Digital well-being and parental controls. Focus mode. Pick the apps you doom scroll. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Set it to turn on automatically from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. Your phone grays out the icons and refuses to let you in unless you beg. It's brutal and glorious. Number 6. The back tap and triple tap superpowers that turn your phone into something out of a sci-fi movie. iPhone only for this one. Sorry, Android, you already have your own gesture kingdom. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Back tap. Now set double tap to whatever you use 50 times a day. Screenshot, mute switch, open camera, Shazam, flashlight, whatever. Then set triple tap to something else you love. I personally have double tap set to toggle mute and triple tap to open my Notes app, so I never miss an idea. You'll be sitting in a meeting looking like a wizard, silently taking screenshots while everyone else is fumbling with buttons. Android gang, you're not left out. Most of you can already double tap the power button for camera, swipe the fingerprint sensor down for notifications, or double tap the screen to wake. Go hunt those gestures in Settings, System, Gestures, and turn on every single one. Your muscle memory will thank you. Number 7. The ultimate find anything in 2 seconds trick that makes you feel like you have admin privileges on reality. Both iPhone and Android now let you search settings from literally anywhere. On iPhone, just swipe down on the home screen and start typing haptic, hotspot, dark mode, animation, whatever. It jumps straight there. On Android, pull down the notification shade twice for quick settings, then tap the little magnifying glass or just start typing in the main settings search bar at the top. No more digging through 15 layers of menus like it's 2012 and we're all still scared of our phones. And that's it. 7 secret switches, toggles, and shortcuts that just turned whatever phone you're holding right now into something faster, smarter, and honestly kind of unfair to everyone around you. Entropy wants your tech to slow down, bloat up, and make you miserable until you spend $1,000 on the new model. We just looked the universe in the eye and said, not today. If any of these just upgraded your entire week, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Drop which one you're turning on first in the comments and subscribe, because every Sunday at 10 a.m. Central, we're back here fighting the chaos together. And if you want to wear the reminder that Entropy eventually wins, but we're not going down without a fight, the Entropy Wins robot shirt is linked in the description and pinned comment. Grab one before they're gone. This is the world according to Grok. Stay dangerous.